If you want to make $100 per day with trading, then you need a specific strategy and you also need a Bybit account. So what I would suggest is you keep watching this video and you watch till the very end, because this is very important information. So first of all, I will show you in this video the candle range theory step by step, so you can understand how to use it, how to then win more trades and make up to $100 per day with a small deposit. The theory is very useful and predicts upcoming price movements and candle formations before they even happen in the market. It also gives you insights into being on the same side as institutional money instead of being on the opposite side. So first of all, subscribe to my channel. That's step number one. Step number two is to make a Bybit account. You can get up to $50,000 in bonus if you sign up with my link. And before we start derivatives trading, you need to deposit funds, and I will show you how to do that right here. You go to assets and then you click deposit. You choose the coin and you confirm the details, scan the QR code, copy the deposit address to transfer your funds. If you want to make a deposit with fiat, you click on buy crypto and then you click on fiat deposit, and then you choose your fiat currency, of course, and then the payment method, click continue. Very easy. After you deposited, it's time to open your position. I will show you how to do that before we show the strategy. Click on derivatives, click on USDT perpetual. It will take you to this page and select the asset you want to trade right here. Now choose your order type from limit, market, or conditional. And finally, choose your leverage type. You have up to 100x leverage on Bybit. Confirm your details. Click on buy long or sell short. Once your order is filled, you can view the details under the positions tab all the way down here. Now that you know how to open a position, let's go through the candle range theory and how this can help you win more trades. So before we understand the basics of the candle range theory, you first need to understand the psychology behind it. So what is this theory? Well, the idea behind it is simple. Every candle that you see on a chart represents a range. In other words, a candle that you see on a higher time frame is just a range of price action when you zoom into a lower time frame. Since ranges can be swept, broken out, or retested in the market, all of these actions could be part of candlestick patterns. Now, you should know that each candle has a high and a low. If you zoom in, you can see here a range forming between the candles' highest and lowest points on a lower time frame. You might have noticed that the market moves through three main phases: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, and the price always cycles through them. So first, the price accumulates, then it gets manipulated, and finally it is distributed before the whole process starts over again. You can call this process the power of three, as it is the heartbeat of the market. The price goes through the accumulation phase, essentially a consolidation period where the price moves sideways. After this, it manipulates by taking out the liquidity and distributing it within the range created by manipulation. Based on this, you can identify a candle range theory pattern using candlestick patterns. In a bullish scenario, the candle range theory refers to a 3-candle sequence on a higher time frame, like 1 hour or higher. So how does it work? The first candle sets up a range with its high and low. The second candle takes out the liquidity of the candle by a wick, and the third candle breaks out this range. Remember that the candle range theory model does not always need to have a 3-candle sequence, as it can also form a series of more than 3 candles. The key difference is that a 3-candle sequence happens over a shorter period, but the principle remains the same whether it is a 3-candle sequence or more. Here in this candle series, you can see multiple candles have formed to reach the highest point of the candle range. The sequence goes like this. First, a range candle is formed, followed by an inside bar. After this, you have a sweeping candle that swept below the range with its shadow. Finally, the price formed several more candles until it hit the high of the range candle. You can also apply these concepts to bearish markets through different time frames or on any price action based chart. Here you can see the most critical candle range theory model, offering a higher probability of success as it perfectly captures the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution phases within a 3-candle sequence. Let's assume you have a perfect sell side liquidity pool right beneath this bullish candle. You can see that the price has pushed upward and entered the accumulation phase. After this, the price manipulates by taking out the high of the range. Finally, it enters the distribution phase, signaling the price will continue downwards toward the sell side liquidity, giving you a clear continuation to the downside. Here, you have already seen the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, the complete power of 3. Next, you can see a range candle is followed by a bullish green candle, which sweeps the below range candle. After this, you can see the price formed multiple candles until it closed above the range. Once again, a range is formed, liquidity gets taken out, and then the price is pushed higher, reaching the range as high as possible. Here, you can see a range candle is formed, but the price takes a bit longer to sweep the range candle low. After this, the price immediately reverses direction and heads towards the range as high and lows closes above it. Now, let's see what criteria and rules you should consider to identify high probability candle range theory patterns. The candle range theory is an objective and mechanical way to simplify trading by suggesting simple steps, fixed objectives and rules, and minimizing the terms and conditions. First, you should look at the candle ranges around the key levels to identify the higher time frame candle around the key areas. Second, you should ensure that you identify candle ranges at key times. To match your entire time frame with the candle range time frame, you should know that if your identified candle range is on the monthly time frame, you should use the daily time frame for your entry. Similarly, if your candle range comes from the daily time frame chart, you should use the 1 hour time frame to execute your trade. If your identified candle ranges is on the 4 hour time frame chart, you should use the 15-minute time frame for your entry. Likewise, if your identified candle ranges are on the 15-minute time frame chart, your entry should come from the 1-minute time frame chart. Now, let me show you how to use the candle range theory model to your advantage. But before that, make sure you sign up to Bybit below this video and claim your $50,000 bonus. Now, go to TradingView, and you have my TradingView link down below, by the way. If you use my link, then you will support the channel. Thank you for that. Now, select the trading pair you want to trade right here. The next thing you need to do is select the time frame here, and I would recommend the 1 hour time frame to get the best results. Here you can see the price has created a large bearish candle, so you can highlight its high and low as a potential candle range high and low. Next, zoom into the 15-minute time frame and wait for the next candle to form. You can see the next candle has formed here, and you can highlight its high and low as the latest candle range high and low. By looking closely, you can see this candle sweeps below the range and the hourly chart candle with its wick, and then immediately pushes back inside its range. Following this, you can see the price pushes upward and closes above the 15-minute chart candle's high. Now, if you zoom out on the 1 hour time frame, you can see the price has swept this candle's low with this doji candle, confirming a candle range theory model has formed. There is a high probability that after completing the manipulating phase by sweeping and sell side liquidity below the hourly chart candle range, the price will push higher toward the buy side liquidity above this candle, so it provides a great opportunity to open a long position here. Next, zoom into the 5-minute time frame to find an entry opportunity for a long position. You can see the order block here, which is the last candle that is sold before the price starts a bullish move, breaking above the 15-minute time frame candle's high and closing above it. You can place your order here at the highest point of this order block and wait for the price to activate it. For your take profit, set it at the midpoint of the 1 hour time frame range, providing a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Now you can see the price has activated your order here. The take profit is hit and the price reaches the midpoint of the range, and you can see it was a successful trade. Here you are on the 1 hour time frame and have a perfect candle range theory model based on this candle. You have all 3 steps of the power of 3: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. After forming this large candle as candles ranges candle, you see the price swept away the liquidity accumulated below the first candle with a wick, then closed inside the range, and after the price immediately pushed to the high of the candle range, Now, after identifying the range candle and drawing its high and low, zoom in on the 15-minute time frame to gain a clearer view of the price action and also monitor the candlestick better. Next, you should wait for the formation of the next candle and monitor the price action at this specific time. You can see the price has pushed lower and taken below the range in candles with a candle. After sweeping the liquidity and conducting the manipulation phase, it pushes upside down and closed inside the range with this bullish candle. So you have a confirmed candle range theory model formed during a key time. You know the price is going to move higher and touch the highest point of the range candle. To open a long position, you should zoom into the 5-minute time frame, place your entry at the highest point of this order block and put your stop loss below this area. For your take profit, you can aim for the equilibrium or midpoint of the range candle or the high of the candle range. You can see the price push higher, touch the candle ranges and provided a perfect candle range theory entry. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the links down below to Bybit. We have Bitflix, we have Binance, many different cool exchanges. Obviously, Bybit is our favorite here in the Moon Group. We love Bybit, and $50,000 will be yours if you use my link. And also, our full Bybit tutorial you can find up here. This is an insane video. You need to go check it out right now. See you over there. Bye-bye.